Guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Come with me as I go pick up my brand new MacBook Neo. Been really excited about this one, actually. A nice compact MacBook I could travel with. I recently picked up the MacBook Pro M5 and I love that as my main computer, and I decided to come back in and grab the MacBook Neo for the computer that I'll travel with. And I tell you, for 500 bucks, folks, you just can't beat this. This is one of the best laptops probably going to be for quite some time. It's putting other companies on notice, basically Windows laptops, and Chromebooks are really solid still, but you know, $500, I wouldn't tell a person to get a Chromebook over this MacBook. I just couldn't do it. It's a classic Apple premium feeling laptop, and you get all the different colors that you can get as well. Again, I started off with Indigo as my go-to choice for this laptop, but once you see that silver in person, it is classic Apple, and it's a really good thing. So let's get this unboxed, man. Also, I decided to edit this video on the MacBook Neo, and it did fairly well. It was pretty quick. It was no problems whatsoever, and it's going to be good for basic 4K editing. I don't know that I would do 8K editing on here, but I'm sure some people would do some stress tests and do so. So let's get out of here. Let's head out, and let's get this thing unboxed and get it back, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. I'll show it to you in the unboxing. And as I was trotting along, boom, hit my goals. I hit my goals every day, folks. Give yourself time, exercise, take care of your body. You only get one. Anyway, back of the Jeep, let's do the unboxing. Let's switch over to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And this insane Apple form fashion. This is just Apple all day. This sleek packaging, it's just two pull tabs and boom. I'm glad they got rid of all the plastic on the MacBooks. It really was unnecessary. I like the pull tabs. It's quick. You get in and out. So the color of your MacBook will be on the outside of the MacBook. Shout out to my man Gary, Bad News Brown. the color of the MacBook will be on the outside. Inside joke, folks. The color of the MacBook will be on the outside, and it'll show you which one you have. So the silver, before we get that, you do get a charger. You get a charger brick and cable. Nice cable. Nice little packaging here. If you have never seen a MacBook unboxing, I'm sure you have, but if you've never unboxed your own, there's just something about that crisp feel when it comes out. And if you have unboxed your MacBook before, then you know what I'm talking about. There's nothing like the first break on the seal of a MacBook. It's just good. So this is a premium laptop. So you got a speaker on that side, and on the front here, you got the little groove to open it up. Then you have a headphone jack, two USBs, one's fast, one's slow. Speaker there. You've heard that over and over again. So this is a premium feeling laptop, folks. It really does feel premium, and it just feels classic Apple. Like it feels like it could be $1,000 or more. Let's crack it open. Now, this keyboard and trackpad, I will give you a full update on that very soon. But I gotta say, like I said, I edited this video with this MacBook, and I've actually been using this MacBook since you've watched this, and the keyboard feels really good. It is different with the trackpad, though. It's an actual trackpad, the touches, so it's not haptic feedback anymore. It's really a button clicking there, and it actually feels about the same. I don't know, it just feels pretty good. Nothing fancy about it. So let's take a look at the keyboard here real quick before I get out of here. This is the entry level without Touch ID. I just couldn't get, I didn't want to wait another month and a half or a month to get one with Touch ID. But it was really about the 512 gig for me. Yeah, but just to show you there's a lock button, no Touch ID. So I think it's kind of lame that it's $100 more for Touch ID and double the storage. But hey, this is an entry-level laptop, and I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this for sure. And I will follow up with more content on it. The silver MacBook Neo. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you can get your hands on one of these, I think you're really going to like it. Trust me.